Hi students, how are you? I'm your class teacher. Have you done your homework? I noticed somebody didn't send it till now. So don't forget it. Okay. Before entering into the lesson, let us concrete our base through some gram. Are you ready? What are your names? I know. Avantika, Anulakshmi, Irsa, Alishba. Others? Don't mind. I will call you later. All these are name of person. Kolkata, India, America, Changanasheri, Alapura. All these are name of places. Another thing, what are the items can you see on your dining table? Jug, mug, glass, plates, etc. All these are name of things. All these are names. These names are including in noun. What is a noun? Noun is a naming words. Did you understand? Noun എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എല്ലാ വസ്തുക്കളുടെയും പേര് ഉൾക്കൊള്ളുന്നതാണ്. ഒരാളുടെ പേരാകാം, ഒരു സാധനത്തിന്റെ പേരാകാം, ഏതെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ വസ്തുവിന്റെ പേരാകാം, മാസങ്ങളുടെ പേരാകാം, ദിവസങ്ങളുടെ പേരാകാം. മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ? അതുകൊണ്ട് 50 നൗണുകൾ എഴുതി നമ്മുടെ വാട്സപ്പ് ഗ്രൂപ്പിലേക്ക് സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ഒരു വീഡിയോ അയക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. വീഡിയോ നന്നായിട്ട് കണ്ട് നൗൺ ഒന്നും കൂടെ മനസ്സിലാക്കുക. മീറ്റ് അഗെയിൻ.
Proper noun. If it doesn't have a name, it's a common noun. A cookie is common, Rena is proper. Great Wall of China, kangaroo. Mom and dad are all nouns too. Have you heard the word buzzing all around? Everybody's asking.
Hi children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. I am your mini miss. I am going to teach you Hindi. Let's start with Hindi alphabets. നിങ്ങളിപ്പോൾ 4ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലായില്ലേ? പുതിയ കുട്ടികളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടോ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ? ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. നമുക്ക് ആദ്യം അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ റിവൈസ് ചെയ്യാം. സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങളും വ്യഞ്ജനാക്ഷരങ്ങളും. നിങ്ങൾ ബുക്കിൽ, റഫ് ബുക്കിൽ 5 ടൈംസ് വീതം സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങളും വ്യഞ്ജനാക്ഷരങ്ങളും എഴുതി പഠിക്കുക. നോട്ട്ബുക്ക് വാങ്ങിച്ചു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ അതിൽ 1 ടൈം സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങളും വ്യഞ്ജനാക്ഷരങ്ങളും എഴുതണം കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.
Hi children, did you notice the changes in nature at your surroundings on this lockdown period? Yes, it is the best time to think about our nature. Everyone says there are a lot of positive changes. Every year, June 5 is celebrated as World Environment Day. Yes, my little children, today is that day. The aim of this day is to protect our environment. The theme selected for this year is The Time for Nature. Yes, it is the best time for nature. What can we do for our nature? We can do many things like clean up our neighborhood, avoiding plastic and pollution, save and replanting trees, etc. are some of them. As a part of World Environment Day celebration, plant a tree as your own. Write down the name of plants in your surroundings and write it in your notebook. We will discuss more about plants in the next class.
Hi children,
Thank you.
this year I am your maths teacher. Last year I was teaching you GK, don't you remember? Yes. So how many of you feel happy that I am the maths teacher? Is there anyone? Okay. Suryanarayan and all will be thinking, oh, this lady is coming. Yes? No. I understood. See, last year you were having another textbook, that is Spring. We have already studied thousands, 10,000 and all in standard 3. But this textbook, this is very small textbook and also simple. But one thing here we have to think is, think in different way. Not only one method here we are acquiring, no. We are free to have many methods and different way to acquire the answer. That is the main thing. So let me introduce the textbook. This is the part 1 of our textbook. Now you may not be having the textbook copies with you, but in SCERT this textbook PDF file is available. If your parents are interested to download it, you are very welcome. And here I have downloaded. This is the first part, and the first part is having 5 chapters among 4-digit numbers. Actually you have studied last year in the spring, but now here we are moving in a different way, the same numbers. Then now we are moving to the first chapter. So let me show you. This is the first page of the first chapter. Can you see? Yes. See, here a situation is given for you. That is, after the summer vacation, one father and a daughter, they are going for buying many things for the academic year 2020-21. But what happened? Yes, it is closed already. But here, last year itself they have printed this notebooks, right? So, this was a situation which was given in 2019-20. So, last year they have gone for the purchase, and the distribution, the details of this one is given here. How they bought, what all things they purchased, what was the amount they have to pay, everything is described here. Just go through the first part. See, this is a school bazaar. They have gone to purchase bag, dresses also there in the back side. Here umbrella, water bottle, books, everything are available. They bought an umbrella for rupees 250. So one umbrella they bought. And one thing more, whenever we go like this, whatever we read, that we have to record it in our language. That is umbrella. Umbrella how much? Rupees 250. Okay. Then 5 notebooks at 10 rupees each. How many notebooks they bought? Rupees 1000. Father has only 100 rupee notes with him. So he was having in his purse all 100 rupee notes. How many notes should he give? How will you get? We just think it off. Only 100 rupee notes were available in his purse. Then how many notes he has to give to the shopkeeper to attend this payment? 1000 rupees. How many? Let's try. So 1000 divided by 1000 rupees is to be divided by 100. So what is the answer? How many 100 rupees? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. So how many notes we have to give? Yes, 10. So last year did you study how to divide with 10, 100 and all? Okay, no problem. We will be doing afterwards. Now, since this is a small number 1000 and this is 100, we know that 10 100 rupee notes make 1000. Okay. Now then you write that answer, then total cost at answer, then the next one. Suppose father had only 500 notes with him. If he was having full 500 rupee notes, then how many notes he has to give to attempt this payment? Yes, 500, isn't it? 500, how many 500s will make 1000? Now you are grown up, you can very well tell the answer. How many 500? 500 plus one more 500 is enough. So one 500 rupee note and one 500 rupee notes. Think that these all are hundreds. These all are hundreds, then 500, 500. So how many 500 rupee notes we have to? Yes. So 1000 divided by 500, that is equal to 2. So 2 notes only he has to give for this payment. Then the next one. What if he had only 1000 rupee notes? He is having only full of 1000 rupee notes. Now it is not available. Is it available 1000 rupee notes? Yes, if it was 1000 rupee notes, then how many notes he has to give? Yes, only one. So only one note he has to give the shopkeeper. He also bought Reena a bag for rupees 500. Again, one more payment he has to do, that is 500 rupee worth a bag he bought for his daughter. Then how much should he pay in all? Now how much he has to pay? Already 1000 rupees he has to give, plus this 500 for the bag also we have to pay. Then now total how many will be there? Totally how much rupees? Yes, total 1000 rupees starting he was about to pay, plus one more 500 rupees for the bag also he has to pay. So what is the total? Yes, 0 plus 5, 5 and here 1 rupees. So how much rupees he has to pay? 1500. Then come here, he paid it in 1000 rupee notes and 100 rupee notes. So he was having 1000 rupee notes and he was having, yes, 100 rupee notes also. How many of each did he have give? Yes, number of 1000 rupee notes, 2 parts are given here missing that we have to fill it with. Number of 1000 rupee notes. So how many 1000 rupee notes he can give? Yes, one he can give. And how many 100 rupee notes? Because if you give a 1000 rupee note, we have to give 1500, isn't it? 1500 we have to give. From that 1000 rupees if I have given, then balance 500 also he has to pay. To pay this 500, how many 100 rupee notes he has to give? How many? 5. Yes, that is 500 divided by 100 rupee, that is 5. So 5 notes he has to give as 100 rupee notes. Okay, did you understand this portion? Okay, so once more you just read the question. Anyway, you are not having the textbooks at home and this page is visible here. Just go through, pause it and you can write the question also, their answer also you can write. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the personal. Here in this situation, it is given directly. They bought an umbrella for 250 rupees. So one umbrella. So whenever you get like this, we have to note it down accordingly. Umbrella 250 rupees. Then it is given 5 notebooks at 10 rupees each. Not one notebook, 5 notebooks they have. information, you just note it down accordingly in your own language. Not English or Malayalam, not like that. In your convenient way. And I wrote like this, and there I could do total cost directly. And the thing we have to keep in mind is, see, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, ones, tens, hundreds. They all are situated like this. So this will be easy for you to add all these. So 0, then total cost means we have to add all those. So total. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 0. Carry on then. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So how much we got?
Hello. Today I am giving you another task, that is reciting multiplication tables. Multiplication tables we have already studied in standard 2. Just like we brush teeth every day, it is very essential for us to recite the tables at least once every day. It will help us to make the tables thorough. Once the multiplication tables are thorough in our heart, then only it will be easy for you to do the multiplication. Isn't it? So, here I will send you a video to recite the tables in a rhythmic way. And it's having a very good tune also. I like it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, try it. There you have chance to give the answer also. Within few seconds you have to answer it, because it comes rhythmically with a good tune. So watch it, recite it, sing with it, then it will be easy for you to remember the multiplication tables. Please watch and enjoy.
Yes. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 5s are 2 6s are 2 7s are 2 8s are 2 9s are 2 10s are. Very good. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Do it again. 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 5s are 3 6s are 3 7s are 3 8s are 3 9s are 3 10s are. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Once again. ones are 4 twos are 4 threes are 4 fours are 4 fives are 4 sixes are 4 sevens are 4 eights are 4 nines are 4 tens are 5 ones are 5 5 twos are 10 5 threes are 15 5 fours are 20 5 fives are 25 5 sixes are 30 5 sevens are 35 5 eights are 40 5 nines are 45 5 tens are 50. Come again. 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 threes are 5 fours are 5 fives are 5 sixes are 5 sevens are 5 eights are 5 nines are 5 tens are 6 ones are 6 6 twos are 12 6 threes are 18 6 fours are 24 6 fives are 30 6 sixes are 36 6 sevens are 42 6 eights are 48 6 nines are 54 6 tens are 60. Along with me. 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 threes are 6 fours are 6 fives are 6 sixes are 6 sevens are 6 eights are 6 nines are 6 tens are 7 ones are 7 7 twos are 14 7 threes are 21 7 fours are 28 7 fives are 35 7 sixes are 42 7 sevens are 49 7 eights are 56 7 nines are 63 7 tens are 70. Once again. 7 ones are 7 twos are 7 threes are 7 fours are 7 fives are 7 sixes are 7 sevens are 7 eights are 7 nines are 7 tens are 8 ones are 8 8 twos are 16 8 threes are 24 8 fours are 32 8 fives are 40 8 sixes are 48 8 sevens are 56 8 eights are 64 8 nines are 72 8 tens are 80. Come again. 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 threes are 8 fours are 8 fives are 8 sixes are 8 sevens are 8 eights are 8 nines are 8 tens are 9 ones are 9 9 twos are 18 9 threes are 27 9 fours are 36 9 fives are 45 9 sixes are 54 9 sevens are 63 9 eights are 72 9 nines are 81 9 tens are 90. Do it again. 9 ones are 9 twos are 9 threes are 9 fours are 9 fives are 9 sixes are 9 sevens are 9 eights are 9 nines are 9 tens are ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. All together. 10 ones are, 10 twos are, 10 threes are, 10 fours are, 10 fives are, 10 sixes are, 10 sevens are, 10 eights are, 10 nines are, 10 tens are. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, 11 tens are 110. Join me. 11 ones are, 11 twos are, 11 threes are, 11 fours are, 11 fives are, 11 sixes are, 11 sevens are, 11 eights are, 11 nines are, 11 tens are. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 16, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Carry on. 12 ones are, 12 twos are, 12 threes are, 12 fours are, 12 fives are, 12 sixes are, 12 sevens are, 12 eights are, 12 nines are, 12 tens are.
ഹായ് കുട്ടികളെ, എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട് വിശേഷങ്ങൾ? ലോക്ക്ഡൗണിൽ എന്താണ് പരിപാടി? കൂട്ടുകാരും ഒക്കെ ആയിട്ട് വഴക്ക് കൂടുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഈ വർഷം ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ മലയാളമാണ് പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. അമ്മ നല്ല ഫുഡൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാക്കി തരുന്നുണ്ടോ? അനുജനും അനിയത്തിയായിട്ട് വഴക്കുണ്ടോ? അമ്മയുടെ നിന്ന് തല്ല് കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടോ? എന്തിനാണ് അമ്മ നിങ്ങളെ തല്ലുന്നതെന്ന് അറിയാമോ? നിങ്ങൾ നല്ല മിടുക്കരായിട്ട് വളർന്നു വലുതാകാൻ വേണ്ടിയാ. സ്നേഹം അറിഞ്ഞു വേണം കുട്ടികൾ വളരാൻ. സ്നേഹിക്കുകയും സ്നേഹിക്കപ്പെടുകയും ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് മറ്റുള്ളവരുടെ വിഷമങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കാനും അവരുടെ കണ്ണീരൊപ്പാനും നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കുന്നത്. മറ്റുള്ളവന് വേണ്ടി ഒരു തുള്ളി കണ്ണീരോ ഒരു പിടി അന്നമോ, എന്തിനേറെ സ്നേഹത്തിന്റെ അല്പം സാന്ത്വനമോ ഒരു ചെറു പുഞ്ചിരിയോ നമ്മൾ നൽകുമ്പോൾ അത് അർഹിക്കുന്നവന് സ്നേഹത്തിന്റെ ഒരു വലിയ അനുഭവമാണ് നമ്മൾ സമ്മാനം ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നാം എല്ലാവരും സ്നേഹത്തിലൂന്നിയ ഒരു വളർച്ചയിലാണ് ഉന്നം വയ്ക്കേണ്ടത്. ചെറുശ്ശേരിയുടെ ഉണ്ണിക്കണ്ണൻ എന്ന കവിതയിൽ ഈ സന്ദേശമടങ്ങുന്ന ധാരാളം വരികളാണ് അടങ്ങിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ കവിതയുടെ ആലാപനമടങ്ങുന്ന ഒരു വീഡിയോയും ഇതോടൊപ്പം അയച്ചു തരുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് പല പ്രാവശ്യം നിങ്ങൾ കേൾക്കണം. കേട്ടതിന് ശേഷം 4 വരി കവിത നന്നായി ഈണത്തിലും താളത്തിലും ചൊല്ലാൻ പഠിക്കണം. അതിനുശേഷം വേണം അത് പലതവണ എഴുതി പഠിച്ച് നമ്മുടെ വാട്സപ്പിലേക്ക് സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്.
സ്നാനവും ചെയ്തു നീയാഗമിപ്പോളവും പാലിച്ചെനല്ലോ ഈ പാൽവെണ്ണ ഞാൻ. സ്നാനവും ചെയ്തു നീയാഗമിപ്പോളവും പാലിച്ചെനല്ലോ ഈ പാൽവെണ്ണ ഞാൻ. ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ളെനിക്കേതുമീ താരാതെ എങ്ങു നീ പോകുന്നു തെന്നമ്മീ ചൊൽ. ഓമനപ്പൈതൽ താനിങ്ങനെ ചൊല്ലി തൻ കോമളച്ചുണ്ടു പിളുർക്കും നേരം ഉണ്ണിക്കൈ തന്നിലേ വച്ചു നിന്നിടിനാൾ വെണ്ണ താൻ കൊണ്ടുപോന്നമ്മയപ്പോൾ. ഓമനപ്പൈതൽ താനിങ്ങനെ ചൊല്ലി തൻ കോമളച്ചുണ്ടു പിളുർക്കും നേരം ഉണ്ണിക്കൈ തന്നിലേ വച്ചു നിന്നിടിനാൾ വെണ്ണ താൻ കൊണ്ടുപോന്നമ്മയപ്പോൾ. വെണ്ണയെ കണ്ടൊരു കണ്ണൻ താനന്നേരം വെണ്ണിലാവഞ്ചിച്ചിരിച്ചു ചൊന്നാൻ. ഒറ്റക്കൈ തന്നിൽ നീ വെണ്ണ വച്ചിടിനാൾ മറ്റേ കൈ കണ്ടിട്ടു കേഴുമല്ലോ. മൂത്തവൻ കയ്യിൽ നീ വെണ്ണ വച്ചിടുമ്പോൾ ആർത്തനായി നിന്നു ഞാൻ കേഴും പോലെ. ഒറ്റക്കൈ തന്നിൽ നീ വെണ്ണ വച്ചിടിനാൽ മറ്റേ കൈ കണ്ടിട്ടു കേഴുമല്ലോ. മൂത്തവൻ കയ്യിൽ നീ വെണ്ണ വച്ചിടുമ്പോൾ ആർത്തനായി നിന്നു ഞാൻ കേഴും പോലെ. ഇങ്ങനെ കേട്ടവൾ വെണ്ണയ്ക്കു പിന്നെയും അങ്ങു തിരിഞ്ഞു നടന്ന നേരം കയ്യിലെ വെണ്ണയെ പയ്യവീ വായിലിട്ടയ്യോ എന്നിങ്ങനെ ചൊല്ലിച്ചൊന്നാൻ. കള്ളനായുള്ളൊരു കാകൻ താൻ വന്നിട്ടൻ കയ്യിലെ വെണ്ണയെ കൊണ്ടുപോയി. കള്ളനായുള്ളൊരു കാകൻ താൻ വന്നിട്ടൻ കയ്യിലെ വെണ്ണയെ കൊണ്ടുപോയി. എന്നതു കേട്ടവളേറ്റം ചിരിച്ചു നൽവെണ്ണയും കൊണ്ടിങ്ങു വന്നു പിന്നെ. വൈകാതെ വണ്ണമക്കൈതവ പൈതൽ തൻ കൈകളിൽ രണ്ടിലും വെണ്ണ വച്ചാൾ. വൈകാതെ വണ്ണമക്കൈതവ പൈതൽ തൻ കൈകളിൽ രണ്ടിലും വെണ്ണ വച്ചാൾ. വെണ്ണയെ കണ്ടൊരു കണ്ണൻ തന്നാനനം വെണ്ണിലാവോലുന്ന തിങ്കൾ പോലെ. വെണ്ണയെ കണ്ടൊരു കണ്ണൻ തന്നാനനം വെണ്ണിലാവോലുന്ന തിങ്കൾ പോലെ. പുഞ്ചിരിത്തൂമ കൊണ്ടഞ്ചിതമാകയാൽ ചെഞ്ചമ്മേ നിന്നു വിളങ്ങിയതപ്പോൾ. പുഞ്ചിരിത്തൂമ കൊണ്ടഞ്ചിതമാകയാൽ ചെഞ്ചമ്മേ നിന്നു വിളങ്ങിയതപ്പോൾ.